I'm going to be showing you the one strategy that you need to absolutely dominate and win every single trade within the New York session. Make sure you listen very carefully because this one is the most complex strategy I've ever taught on my YouTube channel. So let's get straight into it. First of all, I have on the top right all the pairs that you can use this on. You can only use this on GBPUSD, EURUSD, NAS 100, and S&P 500. Okay, so I'm going to be using it on the New York time frame, which I put here down here, UTC -4. So it's going to be from 8:30 until 10:30. Okay. So I'm going to be marking out my vertical line right here from 8:30 until 10:30. Okay, this is going to be the time that we're only going to be trading in. We're not going to be trading any time outside the zone. So what we need to do now is actually incorporate a 15-minute time frame, 5-minute, and 1-minute. So I'm going to bring up the actual strategy right here. So what we're going to be waiting for is price to tap into a PDRA or take out the 15-minute liquidity. Okay, so if I just put a trend line right here, you're going to see this is the candle right before our entry point. So right here, I'm going to be looking to take out whichever side takes out. So we're going to be trading the reverse. Okay, so as you can see, the lows have been taken out right here. So I'm going to be just dropping down straight away to the 5-minute time frame after we got our first confirmation. And once I drop down, we can see that the lows have been taken. And now what we're going to be looking for is a 5-minute bullish engulfing candlestick. Okay, so we're going to be looking for a candlestick towards the upside. So if I play price forward, you can see that we have a very, very bullish run right here. And we have another one. This one is a confirmation that we really, really needed. Okay, so after this one, now I'm going to be dropping to the 1-minute time frame and finding a market structure shift with a displacement, and then I can enter straight away. But just before that, I'm going to show you the results of my Discord server. You can see this is a free Discord, okay, that I've made recently that everyone has been joining, and you can just trade and you can look at people trading. We have live calls every single week, and it's completely for free. You can just join. The link will be in the description. All right. But so this is all you have to do right here. And now I'm going to be dropping to the 1-minute time frame, like so. And now we can see that price is actually taking out this high right here. And this is the market structure if we need it. Okay, so we have another high all the way up here that's going to be taken. So we're going to be aiming to take out these highs, right? So what we're going to be doing is actually entering off of this spot right here because it's tapped into a PDRA from this area right here. Okay, so from this candle. And we're going to be entering off of this spot. Okay, so all we need to do is place our stop loss right below here. And I'm going to be entering off the price action. But if I didn't want to enter a price action, I would have entered down here. Okay, but I'm going to be entering off where price is right now. Placing our stop loss just below that candle right here. And placing our take profit all the way up to a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. And I'm going to be running this trade and showing you exactly how it runs. You can see this is very, very complex. So make sure you are listening very carefully. I also have a mentorship, which is one-time payment, full guarantee. I will teach you how to become profitable and pass all of your funded accounts and make your first $1,000 with me. Once you purchase, you get access to my private Discord, not the free one. You get access to a private one where you'll learn my strategies and you're going to be with like-minded people. Okay, you're going to learn a secret strategy that I personally do not teach on YouTube, and you have a full course of 20 plus videos. Also, we do weekly calls 3 times a week, so make sure you join very, very soon. Okay, so we have lifetime live trading. Okay, we live trade with our members. Also, I have the blueprint to profitability and other bonuses, so make sure you join now because price will increase to $99 tomorrow. But yeah, let me just get straight back into the video. And now all I need to do is actually run this trade. So let's say we're inside it. You can see that price went down for a little bit and then it's going back up. And we have big momentum here. This is what we need for the market structure shift, okay? So we need big momentum. And now all I need to do is place right forward. You can see that it's come back down to this area. If I actually just extend this, you can see price is actually running all the way up. And it's going to be smashing take profit. 3, and there we go, it's just smash take profit. Okay, this is a very complex strategy, but it works so well, which is why it has a very high win rate of 92%. I'm going to be showing you 2 more examples, so make sure you listen very carefully to the next one because it will be even more harder than this one. All right, now that I'm on a different example, I'm going to be showing you how you can only use the 15-minute and the 5-minute time frame within this strategy. Okay, you don't always have to go to the 1-minute time frame, but you have to actually involve a fair value gap in the 5-minute time frame strategy. Okay, so what you need to do now is do the exact same thing that we did. So mark out the 8:30 right here, time zone right there, and what you need to do is actually mark out a 15-minute time frame candle right there. And okay, you need to mark out the highs and the lows of it. So what we need to do now is identify which side is actually going to get swept, the highs or the lows. And we can see the highs have just been fully swept. Okay, as soon as that happens, we drop down to the 5-minute time frame. as usual. So once we drop down to the 5-minute time frame, now what we're looking for is a bearish engulfing stick instead of a bullish one. Sorry. So this is not a bearish engulfing stick because there was a big bullish engulfing stick right before it. It needs to be a small candle and then a very big candle after it. So play price forward, keep playing it. We're not seeing one. Still not seeing one. And we can see right here that we actually got one. Okay, so you can see from here, this is a very small candle, the body, and this is very big compared to it. Okay, so this is actually a bearish engulfing candle. Okay, so what we need to do now is actually mark out the fair value gap. Or where do we see one? Okay, I can see one right here after this candle. This is our fair value gap that we're going to be using to actually enter off of. Okay, so if I play price forward and actually put my entry point anywhere around here, because this is a PDRA. So this is the entry point. I'm going to be placing my stop loss very tight, just above this candle right here of the FEG, and placing my take profit at risk 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So this is all we need to do for now. And now if I play price forward, you're going to see how it's going to go all the way up. It's going to re-enter. You can see from here, it's going to go all the way down. Okay, and smash TP. Okay, just 2 candles and it's smashed take profit already. You can see it's gone way below that after. So if I just lower this, you can see we could have easily gotten a 1.1 to 8 risk to reward ratio, but we're not going to do that. Okay, we're going to be aiming for the bare minimum, which is 1 to 3. You can see how complex this strategy is, and I'm going to be explaining it for you just now right here. Okay, I'm going to be explaining it on a blank document. So as you can see, all you need price to do, it could do whatever it wants on a 15-minute time frame. Okay, you could do whatever it wants, but when it hits our actual trading time, which is 8:30, so this is 8:30 line right here. Once it hits our trading time, this is when we need to actually look out for the highs and the lows of price. Okay, so if I click this is the highs right here. It's going to be the lows, whatever. Okay, so once we actually did this, now whichever side gets swept, let's say the highs gotten swept right here, we're going to be looking for the actual candles, right? So if I play price forward and if I do this, you can see this is resembling a candle right here, and you can see there's going to be another candle, which is going to be the bearish one. Okay, the engulfing one. You can see how big this compared to this one is. All right. So after you actually find this is where you're going to mark out your fair value gap somewhere around here. And price will actually go back all the way up, enter off the extreme of Fiji, and then you're going to go towards the downside and actually hit your take profit. So your entry point will be around here. Your stop loss will be all the way here. And then there we go. This is the exact method that you're going to be using. So this is going to be the 15-minute time frame right here. Just 15-minute, and this should be the 5-minute anywhere around here, and this would be the entry point, would be the actual 1 minute. Okay, so this is the exact strategy that I've been teaching you just now. Okay, this is one strategy that I've not taught on my channel for a very long time. Okay, and this is the first ever time that I'm bringing it back with this much depth. So make sure you actually view it. If you want to learn a better strategy though, and join a community of actual good traders, graduated traders, make sure you join the Forex family. It's a one-time payment, full guarantee. Okay, get money or you can get a refund. All right, you can join, get access to my Discord, secret strategy, full course, weekly calls. Okay, 3 times. And also, you're going to get lifetime live trading with me and my team. Okay, you're going to be traded with us, entry with us, and everything. All right, that's going to be the end of the video now. And I hope you enjoyed it. Take care.